In this tutorial, we're going to cover LeetCode 1662, check if two string arrays are equivalent. Now, this is a very basic question, so it's quite beginner friendly. Now this question is asking, given two arrays words 1 and word 2, return true if the two arrays represent the same string and false otherwise. So you can see here in example 1, we have word 1 and word 2, and this gives true, as if we concatenate both word 1 and word 2, we see that they're equivalent, as they're both ABC. Now in this case, we have ACB and ABC. This returns false, as they're in different order. However, you look at this example again, A, B, C, D, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, D, E, F, G. This would return true. We can come over to the coding section and we can type out a simple one-line solution. So what we're going to do is we're going to do return, and we're going to use the join function. So we're going to do quote, quote. This creates an empty string, and then we're going to do dot join, and we're going to do word 1. Now this will essentially just return it as ABC as a whole, just as we saw here. Now, you could assume we're going to set the double equals to test if it's either true or false, so we get this true-false output. And we're then going to do the same for our second word. So we're going to do double quote dot join, and we're going to pass through word 2. Now, that's actually all for this answer, so we can then go and we can test it. And you can see it's accepted. And we could submit. So you can see here this answer beats 100% of the answers in terms of runtime and 62% in terms of memory. So it's a pretty solid answer. Now that's you can do LeetCode 1662, check if two string arrays are equivalent. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe, and I hope that helps.